Okay, now I'm going to continue the video by focusing on a different topic. Again, for this topic, I'm going to use another page from the book I'm using. Okay, so I will send you and what the idea is for you to watch the video while you see the document. Okay, so let's see. The topic is going to be also about vocabulary. Okay, no grammar for today. Okay, maybe for the next video I will send you something about grammar. Okay, so shop. Let's see. The topic is about shops and shopping. Shops and shopping. I'm going to tell you about different uh, pieces of vocabulary that you can use when you go shopping or for the names of different shops in English. Okay, so let's start. Well, the part is divided. This topic is divided into 3 different sections. I'm going to start with section A. Okay, well, in section A you have some general words that we use in shopping. Okay, for example, shop assistant. What is a shop assistant? The person who works in a shop. Okay, next one. The shoes were in the shop window. You know that the shop window is a window that you can see from the street. Okay, and which contains some of the products that you can buy in the shop. Escaparate in Spanish. Okay, and more. He went to a new shopping center. You know this shopping center. Okay, the place where the building where many different types of shops can be found. Okay, you know the difference between shopping center and department store? I'm sure you know. It. So, shopping center is a building where many different types of shops can be found, and a department store is only one owner. Okay, one shop containing different types of products. That's the difference. In case some of you didn't know it. Okay, so let's continue. And there are more words here. For example, the next sentence. I just went window shopping. I just went window shopping. Well, you can say the expression to go window shopping when your intention is only to look at the different items from different shops. Okay, but when you aren't going to buy anything, you can say this. Okay. I just went window shopping. Solo fui a mirar. Okay, I only went window shopping. I only went to see the different things, the different items in different shops, but I didn't want to buy anything. That's the idea. Okay. So let's continue. Did you make a shopping list? This shopping list, very easy piece of vocabulary. At least you write when you are going to buy food, or okay, for you to avoid forgetting anything, to avoid forgetting any some products. Okay, that's the idea of a shopping list. And more, I went shopping yesterday. You know this. I did the shopping yesterday. Okay. Well, when you say in English, do the shopping, and normally the meaning of doing the shopping is when you only buy food. Okay, food for the month, for example. Okay, and when you say I went shopping, to go shopping. To go shopping means more to buy different products apart from food. Okay, anything but food. Okay, for go shopping. So when you go shopping, you can buy clothes, CDs, books. Okay, and when you do the shopping, you buy food. That's the idea. Okay, and more. In the last sentence, you have another expression, which is you have to shop around for the best prices. You have to shop around. To shop around means to go to different shops to compare the price and to look for the best price for you. That's to shop around. To look around the different shops. Okay, to buy a product or an item. Okay, that's the idea. Okay. So now let's see for section B. Let's see some types of shop. Okay, so let's continue by taking a look at some different types of shops. Names for shops in English. Okay, so let's see. Well, you have in section B, you have a table containing on the left column, you have the name of the shop, and on the right column, in the right column, sorry, you have some products that this shop sell. Okay, we have department store, almost everything. You can find think of El Corte Inglés, for example. You can find anything here. Okay, furniture, clothes, electrical appliances, dolls, games, jewelry, anything that you can think of can be found here. Okay, mattresses, lamps, anything. Okay, fans. Okay, anything can be found. Okay, air conditioning. Okay. Okay, now next one we have the supermarket. Then you know that the supermarket is mostly for food and household goods. Okay, cleaning products, for example, bleach. You know bleach, lejía, for example. Okay, floor cleaners, mops, and many more. Okay, but their specialty is food. Okay. And okay, well, now you know that inside the supermarket you can have a meat counter and a fish counter. Carnicería, pescadería. Okay, the names for this inside the supermarket are a meat counter and fish counter. Okay, in case you didn't know it. Okay, so when you are inside the supermarket, the carnicería is not called the butchers, okay, but the meat counter. Okay, mostrador de carne, literally, or mostrador de pescado. Okay, that's the idea. Okay. Okay, more different types of shops that you have here. We have the newsagents. Okay, in Spanish, kioscos. Okay, newsagents. Okay, those booths, those places that sell newspaper, cigarettes, stationery. Do you know stationery? Stationery is related to things you find in copisterias. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, stationery. Stationery such as pieces of paper, notebooks, pens, pencils. Okay, and many more things you use to write, to erase. Okay, to keep things. Okay, like folders, for example. Okay, or pencil cases. Okay, or pencil sharpeners, everything related to papelería in Spanish, okay, or copistería. Okay, okay, so let me tell you more shops. We have three more: the butchers, okay, carnicería, the butchers on the street. Remember that for the supermarket, meat counter. Okay, butchers, okay, the place where you can buy meat. Okay, and the chemists, okay, the play for in English they also have the word pharmacy. In Spanish, farmacia. Okay, so you can buy medicine, baby products, shampoo, and soap, toothpaste, and so on. Okay, and well, you can see here on the if you take a look at the words newsagents, butchers, chemists, you can see an apostrophe s between parentheses. You know this, right? That's the name of the shop. Okay, you know that the butcher is a person who works there. Okay, and if you add an apostrophe s to the word butcher, you have the shop, carnicería. Okay, you know that in English this apostrophe s can be completed together with shop. Instead of saying in English the butcher's shop, they omit shop and they only say the butcher's. Okay, or the chemist's shop. They only say the chemist's. Okay, you know chemist is a farmacéutico, chemist. Okay, and we have one more type of shop, which is off license. Okay, off license. Okay, we have. Well, I think in class we saw one topic about shops and shopping, so this can be interesting too to add to that vocabulary topic from the book. Okay, so off license, it's a specialist shop for wine, licorería. Okay, for wine, beer, and soft drinks. Okay, a shop where you can only find mostly alcoholic beverages. Okay, that's the idea of an off-license shop. Okay, well, on the left, on the left, to the left of this table, you have one note, one explanatory note. Okay, which tells you something about kiosks. Okay, so in English, kioscos are also called kiosks. Okay, kiosks. Okay, and they are stalls or shops in the street. Okay, you have it, everything you have it explained here. Everything I'm mentioning is explained here. Okay, for you to continue following the video. Okay, in the best way possible. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you more about another section, section C. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to end this video by mentioning, by talking about a real conversation. Okay, so here in section C from this unit, you have a kind of real conversation, some real expressions that you can use when you are in a clothes shop. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to tell you some ideas here. Okay, well, we have a conversation. Okay, and typical conversation that you can find between an assistant and a customer, shop assistant and a customer. Okay, well, can I help you? Says the shop assistant. Yes, says the customer. I'm looking for a blue jumper. Or, no, I'm just looking, thanks. Or, I'm being served, thanks. These are different possibilities that you can tell when you're in a shop, okay, in English. Well, this can be useful when you travel to an English speaking country and then you are in a shop and you want to find and you want to use natural sentences, okay, when you interact with the people in the shop. Okay, so another typical question that the shop assistant can ask is, what size are you? What size are you? Which types of clothes do you wear? What size do you wear? Okay, is it L, M? Okay, and large, small, medium, 14, 16, depending on, you know that different brands have different ways to measure sizes. Some of them use words, other numbers. You know this, okay? And more, where is a question you can use if you want to try something on. You can say, where is the changing room, or where is the fitting room? Both are good. Okay, you have here double possibility, which is changing room and fitting room. Okay, the room where you try on clothes. And more, yes, okay, if you have decided to buy something, you can say, yes, I have this one, or this. Okay, yes, I want to buy this. Okay, or no, I'll leave it, thanks. No, I'll leave it, thanks. Okay, no, I'm not interested, I don't like it. Okay, so I'll leave it. I'll leave it. Okay, that's another idea for in case you don't want to buy something. Okay, more, let's see. We have here now, when you want to ask, how do I pay? How do I pay for this? Where do I have to go to pay for this? And you can receive the answer. The shop assistant can say something like, over at the cash desk, over at the cash desk. Okay, also till, it's called till. Okay, the place where you pay in a shop can be called cash desk, till, even checkout, either checkout or cash desk or till. Those are names that you can use for the place where you pay. Okay, in a shop. Okay. Well, the typical question: can I pay by credit card, or do I have to pay in cash? Okay, so there you have some ideas for you to use when you travel to another country and you see yourselves in a shop and you want to use some useful expressions. Okay, well, so I hope you like the video. I hope it's been useful and maybe funny, the part of the fair. Okay, I think these are the words. The vocabulary about fair is not very used in English. Only when English speakers are here in the fair. Okay, so I hope it's interesting for you. Okay. I'll send you together with the video. I'll send you two links. Okay, for the vocabulary about the fair, and for this part about shopping and shopping, I will upload a document containing both an explanation about this, okay, about what I've been talking about, and some activities too. Okay, so well, see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day. See you.